Hello guys, welcome to YantraLanguage. This is the first video in the Python tutorial series, which by the way is gonna be super fun and informative, okay? So why did I choose Python? Or more importantly, why did you guys choose Python? I mean, of course, it's Python. It's easy to learn. It's happening. It has a lot many applications in the world right now. So let's just list a few advantages of Python as we go on, right? So it's easy to learn, as I said. It's also open source. So basically that means that it's free on the internet for you to use. It's object oriented. Also, it supports functional programming, so that's a good plus. It is a high level programming language. In fact, I would rather say it's very high level programming language. You can split one program of Python into modules and then use these modules in other programs. And that's a really good advantage for me. It also has applications such as AI and ML, very famous applications of Python. It is also used in web development, GUI, and image processing. And organizations that use Python are very well known. I mean, it's YouTube, NASA, Instagram, Facebook, you name it, and they use Python. So let's just discuss about what exactly the series is gonna be about. What are the goals of the series? What's the final goal of these, Python tutorial videos? So we'll of course cover the basics. We'll go through the numbers, strings, lists. Then we'll go to the if statements, for statements, the range function, etc. We'll also cover the data structures. Again, list, tuples, sequences, dictionaries. We'll go to the modules, standard modules, packages. Then we'll look into input output. We'll work on files. We'll cover classes, inheritance, errors and exceptions. And we'll look at the standard library as well. Right, so this is basically how the skeleton of the entire series is gonna be. Now, how are we going to code in this series? So we'll be using PowerShell and Notebook++ at the beginning, okay? It's mainly so that you can get comfortable with the syntax and to make sure your foundations are strong. And once we cross that base level, we'll start building up on that foundation and then we'll use some, IDE. Primarily, we'll use Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm, okay? So this is how we are gonna go. We'll start with PowerShell and Notebook++, then we'll go to either PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so I hope you have understood the skeleton of the series and how we're going to approach coding in this series. Trust me, Python is very easy to learn. And once you learn it, it becomes it becomes an addiction, okay? You will love Python so much that you will start coding, in small programs are so easy to type. Like if you compare it with Java or C, it's very easy. So how to install Python? For that, I'll leave a couple of links in the description box below. So it's super easy. Just follow the steps and you will be able to install Python, very easily. So one link will go to my blog on which you will find step-to-step Python installation process. It's going to be in simple words so that all of you can do it in the first go, okay? I hope you have enjoyed the first video and you will come back for the next videos. Also, an important thing here, the videos are going to be short and simple. I'll try not to extend them beyond 10 minutes. So my maximum limit will be 10 minutes. So they're going to be simple. We'll cover just numbers and strings on the first day maybe, and then we'll go to lists the second day. So that way we can spend quite a amount of time with each topic, but also not that it bores you, okay? So I hope you have enjoyed the video and I'll meet you in the next video. See ya.